Hello photography fans, and welcome back to another LensVid review, coming to you today from my quarantine studio because self-isolation. Today we're taking a look at this compact teleprompter by Desview. Let's see what it can do. Today we're looking at the T3 teleprompter by Desview, a Chinese manufacturer that provides monitoring solutions for video productions. Their line of products includes different size monitors and teleprompters. In the kit, Desview ships the teleprompter hood with the reflective glass, a protective cover, an adjustable base, a set of step-down rings, a phone camera clamp and adapters, and a Bluetooth controller. The T3 is compact and easy to set up. It's a hard plastic construction with metal 1/4-inch mounting holes on the bottom. It features an adjustable backplate for positioning the text source. The glass cover feels pretty durable, and it's a must for storing and transporting the unit. It simply slides onto the front of the hood and clicks into place. On the top of the hood there are two plastic cold shoe mounts for accessories like a small light or a microphone. Plastic cold shoe mounts aren't very reliable and tend to break, but then again you wouldn't put any heavy accessories on this hood since that would put pressure on the lens's front thread. The base attaches to the back plate with the included 1/4-inch screw with a D-ring. This base is made of plastic and has a retractable spring-action metal chassis that extends to fit smartphones and tablets up to 19 centimeters. We tried it with our Samsung S7 tablet and it worked just fine. The glass on the T3 is a highly reflective surface that allows for clear text visibility with minimal color tone shift. The mounting points on the bottom of the teleprompter allow for additional support of the unit when used with accessories on top or when recording to a phone camera. In this case, you'll need to attach the phone to the back of the hood with the provided phone clamp. The back plate of the teleprompter comes with a left and right side mounts to position the phone camera. This whole setup is made of plastic, so we have our reservations about the durability after prolonged use. But at the same time, these parts are replaceable, so it shouldn't be a problem. The step-down rings provided in the kit attach the unit to the camera lens. There are 9 options to choose from. Screw the ring onto the lens and simply slide the teleprompter into position. It's a really simple design that also works for vertical camera placement. The only thing we could suggest here is adding a way to lock the hood in place. Using the T3 is very simple. We had no problems with the setup or with clearly seeing the text on the reflective screen even from 4 meters away. The most useful part of working with the Desview teleprompter is the Bluetooth remote. It's a simple unit in a plastic enclosure with a few buttons to easily control the scrolling of the text. The remote is powered by 2 AAA batteries. Pair the remote with your device and it will allow to start and pause the scrolling, move page up and down, and control the scroll speed. Desview provides their own teleprompter app. It's a simple interface that allows you to save the text and set up the presentation. The app works seamlessly with the remote. We've tried a number of different teleprompter apps in the past. They're mostly very similar in the interface and setup options. This remote might work differently in apps other than the Desview app, and not every app has a way to adjust controller button actions. The only thing we would love to see added to this app is a way to control the text remotely through live integration with Dropbox or Google Drive. In conclusion, the Desview T3 is a pretty solid unit. It's compact and portable and adjusts to any size phone and most tablets. Setting up and using this teleprompter is really simple. It certainly does the job and is very useful for on-camera presentations. As for pricing, the T3 is usually sold for $120, but sometimes you can find it on sale for as low as $80. And that is it for our look at the T3 teleprompter by Desview. Go check out the full review on our website at lensvid.com, subscribe to this channel, and come back for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.